the wall, about 90 here. Almost 100 here. Almost 100 here. Almost 100 here, 90. Well, here we then see the effect of the thermal camera. And the thermal camera shows the bricks in the wall. Here is then on the top of the stairs. Looks rather normal. We see the contours of the stones. A bit lower down, but normal. But here we then see a blue spot that indicates that here is a lot of water, and we then assume that here might be the potential penetration. We also see on the lower level then that the water flows from that area towards the wall that has 100% moisture, and also climbs up towards the library. We have turned on the underfloor heating in order to see the contrast between hot and cold, and we see then that the water comes here and goes then up a bit. Then we show the same from the lowest level, where we have 100% moisture in the wall, but we then see that the wall is rather warm, but we see the penetration area and also where the water continues. And of course here is the question if it penetrates through the wall or it comes from the point where it penetrates the first time. And hopefully this can be dried out if we then find the spot where it penetrates. In order to find where the blue spot is, we measured the distance from the wall, from the outer door, in order to find the blue spot, and then the corresponding area on the outside. So here is then the blue spot, and then 5 meters from the or 460 from the outer door. This can of course be checked in a better way. Here is also then the damaged stairs up to number 6, the 6th stair, and according to the inspector this is not repairable, they have to be replaced. If we then look on the outside, we see that the corresponding area is under the balcony. And we know of course that we have repaired until approximately 40 centimeters to the left, but the problem is then further towards the house. So here, unfortunately, if my theory is correct, and you agree, we have then to open up the balcony and go through the concrete and find where the water penetrates, if we're going to solve this problem. But it's not that far under. It's, according to my measurement, 20 centimeters from this point. And if we look at the sketch, we then see the light blue area where we have 100% dampness. We see where you repaired in autumn, the yellow area. And we see the dark blue area where the penetration is. So that makes it logical that your repair was not sufficient. We still have water penetration, and the water penetration then goes left. But if we solve the blue problem, dark blue problem, we should have solved it.